Hello, I am Jaideep from NSDL and I welcome you to NPS Ki Pathshala. As you may know, till date, more than 2 crore subscribers are associated with NPS. In order to ensure seamless running of all the activities of all these subscribers, we have developed a robust system. This system smoothly handles thousands of subscriber requests on a daily basis like account opening, investment, service requests, etc. To make these services more user-friendly, we have made these available online as well as on mobile app. For the convenience of subscriber, we have made all the information related to NPS available on our website. Not only this, on the basis of daily interactions with subscribers and nodal offices, we have prepared a comprehensive FAQs, which is a collection of all queries and answers related to NPS. These FAQs are available on our website www.npscra.nsdl.co.in in the FAQ section. Often, it has been observed that the queries of the nodal offices and subscribers are resolved with the help of these FAQs. In spite of this, in this huge NPS system, if you face any difficulty while receiving NPS services, then you can register it as a complaint. For this, we have created a centralized platform which is known as Central Grievance Management System, also known as CGMS. This platform is completely online, where from lodging a complaint till its redressal, all the activities are done online. Subscribers can lodge their complaints in 2 ways. 1. By logging into their NPS account or mobile app and by selecting the grievance menu. You may be already aware that you can log into your NPS account by using your PRAN and password. Second option, visit our website www.npscra.nsdl.co.in and select Log Grievance Enquiry option under the subscriber corner menu and choose NPS subscriber option. Here, the subscriber can lodge a complaint by selecting the correct option. Even if you are not an NPS subscriber, still, you can get all the information related to NPS through this medium. In both these options, the complaints are resolved using CGMS. In CGMS, a unique token number is allotted to each complaint, using which the status of the complaint can be tracked. You will be notified whenever a complaint is resolved or lodged. The responsibility to resolve the complaint lies with the entity against which the complaint has been registered. For example, if in a certain month the contribution has not been credited in your NPS account, then the responsibility for the complaint resolution lies with your nodal office, because it's your nodal office that uploads your contribution in your NPS account. Any entity against which a complaint is lodged, that complaint is sent immediately to that entity through CGMS so that it can be resolved as soon as possible. After the complaint has been lodged, to check whether the complaint has been resolved or not, and if it is resolved, then whether it is properly resolved or not, you don't need to go anywhere else. You can check the status of the complaint through this CGMS system by using the token number generated after lodging the complaint. If you are not satisfied with the complaint resolution, then you can escalate it to the pension regulator. You can also call on our toll-free number 1800-222-080 to lodge your complaint in CGMS, and also you can check its status. However, we request you to go through the FAQs available on our website before lodging your complaint. It may be possible that you might get the answers to your queries from there, and the need to register a complaint may not arise at all. So isn't CGMS the one-stop solution to all your NPS related queries? I hope that you would have liked this video. For more information related to NPS, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like this video.